Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you switch the theme in the AppLock application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your screen and select the third option there, which is the themes. And after doing so, you can see here that currently it is selected the standard theme, and if you want to switch it to another format, you just have to press on the smart theme above that, and you have to press here switch, and you can see that the theme was switched. So yeah, it's pretty easy to do. You have only two options to choose here, and if you feel like you like the smart theme more, you can just switch on that. Now this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.